Marley. What do you think you're doing? No! Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Give me that.
I don't know how to tell you this, buddy, but if I'm cold, you're cold. You gotta come in, okay?
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
I was told to recreate this. Oh!
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new, sorry.
Мишенька, хорошенький ты. Мишуша. Привет, 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 привет.
Opens my door, and then you just have the nerve to sit there like this. You pay rent? You pay rent? Okay.
You be nice this morning. It's really hurting my feelings that you're mean to me. You don't want to have coffee with me and be nice?
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Yeah! Good boy! Oh!
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden retriever.
Riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silence.
See Benny's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Ooh, a fresh pie. Save me a slice. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's... Alright, that's good. Okay, okay. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slicing!
Get mad after you fall.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-dah day.
Oreo.
Oh, what's that? Let's
Oh.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fry.
Don't scroll. Hang on. I have one question. Will you be my friend?
Oh my goodness. It's Wednesday morning and the world's wide. What did you need? Oh, you knew, and I love it.
Alright, so what kind of game? Okay, putting it in the little white cup there. Got my eyes on this, and Sharon, it's right there. This is easy peasy lemon mother. Sharon, how could you do this to me?
Guys! Come on, guys!
As I came into the window, was the sound of a crescendo. He came into her apartment, he left the blood stains on the carpet.
It's gonna be hot.
What is the dog doing?
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend.
It's freaking Jerry. Asshole. Did you say come here? I'm sorry. That's what you get. Hey. Bitch. Stop it. Your mama. What? Don't talk about my mama, stupid. Oh, sorry.
Huh?